Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Students, today we are going to discuss about some numericals. Few numericals based on the order of reactions. Order students. Order. Right? Let's see students. So, numerical based on order. The first example is for reaction 2 moles of A plus B, 1 mole of B to form product. The following data used to find the order. So here the 2 moles of A is there students and the 1 mole of B, right? 2 moles of A and 1 mole of B both are combined to form a product P, and we have to find the order of 2 and we have to find the order of the A and B by using this following data. This is the following data students. This is the following data. So concentration of A moles per liter, concentration of B moles per liter, and the rate. So here the concentration of A, the initial its concentration taken as the 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Students, 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2. And the B concentration is taken as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. When the concentration A is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and B concentration 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2, then rate is 0.0012 meter per second or meter per minute, etc. Right students? Okay, when the concentrations is again remains same, here the A concentration is remains same, but we are increasing the concentration of B, then rate also increases here, that is 0.024. Right students? 0.024. Here again concentration of A is increases to double and B concentrations are remains same. This is remains same here, then the rate again increases here 0.024. Right students? We have to find the order. So whenever you facing the such type of example students, this type of example, then what we have to do here, you have to follow the this rule. Here the first you have to write the rate, the equal to concentration of A to the power x, concentration of B to the power y. Right students? So when the concentration of rate is 0.0012, already is given here, that is 0.012. At that time the constant when rate is 0.012, the rate of the concentration of A is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and concentration of B is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Yes students, concentration of A when the rate is 0.012, concentration is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and the concentration of B is the 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Right students? So next students, the at the concentration at the rate is 0.024, then the concentration of A remains same, the concentration of the reactants are increased to double, right? And rate increases, the increase the concentration of B and the A concentration remains constant, right? When the concentration of A increases, sorry students, when we divide the equation, 1 by 2, equation 1 divided with equation 2, then students look at here, the equation 1 is written over here and the equation 2 is there. So while we are calculating the order, here one of the value we have to keep the constant. So here we are kept the A concentration is constant, so that's why the A concentration K get cancelled here. Right students? So here K get cancelled, concentration of A also get cancelled. Then the 0.0012 rate divided by 0.0024, then we got 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 is equal to, again this is as it is 1 by 2 to the power y, students, right? Then students, so both are equal here, both the value are equal here. So here this value I have to written like this, to the power y. So here nothing means here the 1, here the power is nothing means here the power is 1, so y is equal to 1, that is y is equal to 1, students. Right students, understood? Okay students, then after that, the again in this we have to divide the equation 1 by equation 1 divided with the equation 3, right? Then the equation 1 is here and the divided by the equation 3. Then students, here we are kept the y value is constant, so y value get cancelled here. Then again we got the value 1 by 2, 1 by 2, right students, 1 by 2, and the 6 ones are 6 twos are, again we got the 1 by 2 to the power x, right students, and it means here the value is like this, to the power x. Here value is nothing means here power is 1, so it means the x is equal to 1, students. X value is 1 here, right students. So now if we find that the overall reaction, overall means sum of power of concentration of the reactant called as order. So that is we are summing the concentration of A, the power concentration of power A and the concentration of power B, then we got the answer is second order. So overall reaction is second order. So whatever the reaction is given here, the 2 moles of A, 2 moles of concentration, 2 moles of, and the B are there here, the to the power x to the power y. Then the concentration of A is 2 and the concentration of B is, sorry students, so whatever the concentration is given here, power is here x and the B is y. So concentration of power again 1 and the concentration of is 1, both are again we combine here, so we got that is A B 1 plus 1, that is the concentration of AB is 2, that is the second order of reaction, right students? Okay students, the next example is for a reaction A plus B converted into product, what will be the order of reaction with respect to A and B? So this is also the similar example students, like the previous example we have done here. So concentration of A moles per liter is the 2.5, concentration of B moles per liter is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. The rate, initial rate is the 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4, right students? Then concentration is changes to double, then A concentration changes to double, B concentration also double, then rate is decreases, to 400 to the power of minus 3, right students? Then the concentration of again decreases to the 2.5 to 1 and the concentration of B is increases to double and the rate is decreases here, rate is increase here, right students? So the how we have to calculate in this reaction, first we have to take the common value to get here students. So the rate is equal to the rate constant came, concentration of A to the power x, concentration of B to the power y. The rate 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4, then the concentration of A 2.5 10 to the power of minus 4, and the B is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 to the power y. This is equation 1. Next, the rate is 4 into 10 power of minus 3, and the concentration of A increases 5 into 10 power of minus 4. Next, the concentration of B is 6 into 10 power of minus 5, that is double. This is considered as equation 2. Next, the third equation third equation is the 1.6 10 to the power of minus 2 rate, and the concentration of A is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Next, the concentration of B is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Restaurant. So in this reaction, the same reaction the previously have done. First, you have to take the divide equation 1 by 2. Right, equation 1 by 2 here. So we are dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Sorry, we are dividing the equation 2 by equation 1. Right, students? Then 4 into the power of minus 3 whole divided by 5 into the power of minus 4. And 5 into the power of minus 4 divided by 2.5 into the power of minus 4. Again 6 into the power of minus 5 is 3 into the power of minus 5. Right, students? So here, students, the some scientific notations are we are make equal here to easy for the cancellations. So I have to make this one, the 4 turns into 40 10 to the power of minus 4. Right, students? And the now is fine. So we have to calculate the 10 to the power of minus 4 10 to the power of minus 4 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 eights are, that is 5 eights are. 2.10 to the power of minus 4 10 to the power of minus 4 cancel. 2.5 ones are 2.5 2s are 5, that is 2. 3 ones are 3 2s are, and 10 to the power of minus 5 10 to the power of minus 5 cancel. So then we got the answer is the 8 is equal to concentration of A is 2 to the power x, concentration of B is value 2, then to the power of y. This is considered as the equation 4. Right, students? Again we are divide the equation 3 by equation 1. We got, then we have to make here scientific. The equation 3 is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 2 whole divided by the 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. The concentration of A 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4, and concentration of B is remains same here. So we have to make scientific notation equal. So the 1.6 we have to make equal, that is 16 to the power of minus 3, 4 into the power of minus 3, and this one is we have to make 10 into the power of minus 4 by 5 into the power of minus 4. So then we have to equal to make the cancel the scientific notation of the 10 to the power of minus 8 10 to the power of minus cancel, 10 to the power of minus 4 10 to the power of minus 4 cancel, and the 10 to the power of 5 10 to the power of cancel. Then 4 ones are 4s are, 5 ones are 5 2s are, then it get cancelled here. So then we got the answer 4 into the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. The concentration of A taken as a 2 into 10 to the power of 2, concentration of A is power x. So 2 you have to written as 2 to the power of 2. Then the base is same here, 2 base is same, and the x value is equal to 2. So we have to written here x is 2. Right, students? X is 2. Right? So we have to put the value, the 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. That value you have to put into equation 4. This value, right, we have to substitute in place of here this equation 4. Right, students? Then this is the equation 4, students. This is the equation 4. In this equation, the 2 to the power of x value in place, we have to substitute here 4. Right, then 2 is taken as outside, then the 8 by 4 will get cancelled. Right, 4 ones are 4 2s are, then the power is 1 here, the nothing means here power is 1, so y is equal to 2, that is y is equal to 2. Right, students? So the A concentration of A with respect to x is 2, and the concentration of B with respect to y is 1. This is the answer, students. Right, students? Next example, students. The in a chemical reaction, A plus 2B converted into product. When concentration of A is double, then rate is 4 times. Concentration of B is double, the rate is remains same. Right, students? When you are using the A and 2 moles of B turns into product P. Right. When the concentration, the rate is equal to concentration of A and concentration of B, X, Y. When you are increase the concentration of A, when the A is double, then B remains constant here at a time, then rate becomes 4 times. It is 4 times. Right. Similarly, again you are using the rate is equal to concentration of A and the B. When the A is constant here, when you keep the A is constant, the B concentration increases double, rate becomes same here. Rate becomes same. So then what is the order? So solution is, let the order of the fraction with respect to Ax and with respect to B is Y. So rate is equal to K into the A concentration of A to the power X, B to the power Y. The concentration of A is double, the rate is 4 times. So rate is 4 times means when the rate, this is the equation 1 as equation, when the concentration changes, A changes to be double here, then rate becomes 4 times. Rate increases 4 times increases. That is considered the equation 2. Then what we have to do? We have to divide equation 1 by 2, right? Then we got the B get cancelled. Here we got 1 by 2 and here 1 by 4. And here the A 1 by 4 and the 1 by 2 to the power X. The 4 is written as a to the power of 2 and the here the 1 by 2 power of X. So base is same here, the power is taken as a power value, X value is 2, so that is written here X is equal to 2. Right, students? When the concentration of B is double, rate remains same. So the rate is equal to equation 1 here, and we are increase the concentration of B is double, then rate remains same here, there is no change in rate. So then we have to divide equation 1 by 3. So rate equation 1 and we divided by 3, then rate get cancelled, k gets cancelled, a to the power of x, a to the power of get cancelled. Right, students? Then the rate value 1 and the 1 by 2, this is the 1 by 2, the here the 1 by 2, the y value is here nothing, y here nothing means here it is considered as a 0, e to the power of 0, so that's why y is equal to 0, right? So the rate is e to the power of 2, b to the power of 0, then the overall order is the second order of reactions. Right, students? I hope you understood the today example, students. If you find any doubts, students, ask me. Thank you.